I'm Sam.
And I'm Toby.
And we're the Microbe Brothers! So here we have what we think is a Euglena. Look at how it's just sort of like oozing along. It's
like a white blood cell.
Yeah, in one of our earlier videos. Oh, look at how it's pulling that along. Just like, I will pull this along, it is my shell.
Some microorganisms do have shells.
Yeah, it looks like it's pretty strong to be pulling that for just how small it is.
Do you think it's trapped and that's why it's moving so slowly?
Maybe. Maybe it usually moves faster. Looks like it couldn't hold on to its little bit of wood there anymore.
Here we have something faster and more exciting.
A rotifer. What we think is a rotifer. Here we have an organism that we don't really know what it is.
Yeah.
Look at how much stuff there is just around it from the dirt.
Yeah.
And here's what we think is a synura. Look at how it's just
waddling
going around.
Kind of waddling around.
Yeah. How, slow everything is.
Here we have what we think, well, we don't know what it is. We've just been calling it an acorn.
Yeah, look at how the vortexes that it's creating
like
on
a
the other
rotifer.
side of it by spinning.
It's like a rotifer.
Or maybe it's not spinning. It's just creating those.
Yeah, maybe the vortexes are moving it if it has vortexes. Here we have what we think is a paramecium and the heliozoa.
Oh, look at how the heliozoa is pulled into the paramecium by...
I think it's a paramecium.
Yep. By how it's... Oh, did it again.
Ouchie!
Yeah, that must have hurt from how spiky the heliozoa is. Alright.
Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon
So that you're notified whenever we make our next video. And if you know what any of these things were that we didn't know what it was, please tell us in the comments below. We're excited to know. Bye!
Bye.